Hello everyone. Welcome to the third episode of our #XUGS Flexible Learning series. In this video, we are going to talk about how to install Microsoft Teams in our Android smartphones or tablets. So first of all, we need to connect to our Wi-Fi or data. Then we open our Google Play Store. Then we are going to search for Microsoft Teams and install it. Currently, it is about 44 megabytes. Let us just wait for it to finish downloading the app. Once downloaded, we can now open the Microsoft Teams app on our Android gadget. Then we click on Sign In. We then sign in with the credentials given by the XUGS. Assignments, files, notes and more. All your classroom basics are here. Group conversations let you share content quickly and make sure every voice is heard. Use channels to organize student work around units and projects. Create teams for staff activities and student clubs, too. And there you have it. You have successfully installed Microsoft Teams in your Android phone or tablet. Thank you for watching. This has been the third episode of our #XUGS Flexible Learning series on how to install Microsoft Teams in an Android phone or tablet. If you need to review the previous episodes, you can check out the links shown. This will lead you to the playlist of the XUGS Flexible Learning series. Stay tuned for more videos.